Okay, right now what we have is we have a bouncing ball, alright, and we basically have a pedal that will move based on our mouse. Okay, but there is no interaction between the bouncing ball as well as the pedal. So right now we want to do some collision. Alright. First we need to select the ball, okay, using the sprites over here, and you will know that you have selected the ball because I can see the ball over here. Alright, we already have a chunk of codes, but I'm going to add another one. Alright, okay, first I will need the same event that we used previously when click. Alright, and I will want my code to run forever, okay, over here, but this time I need a different condition. Okay, so where is this particular condition? It is the if condition. Right, there is a number of if condition basically, but we will just use this one here, which is the if then condition. Just park it right in the center. Okay. And you will notice that the condition actually have an empty space over here. See this small little block over here, which we can set our condition in. Right. And I want this when occurs when you actually touch the pedal. Okay, so touching. All right, so just put it right in the center. This is to mouse, but there is a small little drop down arrow which I can choose, and I can choose pedal. See that? So if touching the pedal, then what am I supposed to do? Well, of course I would like to bounce the ball. So when you are bouncing the ball, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn it. So turn inside the if block, and I will need this to turn 180 degree, which is basically bounce back. I do not want this to be done immediately because it will seems very strange to just immediately just turn and bounce it back. Okay, so I want it to wait for a short moment before actually turning, or before we are actually turning it back. So here is my control. Let me go to the control just below here. So turn it, wait for 1 second, then only take your action. Right. Now let's see whether this works. We will start, and oh look, now there is actually a bouncing between the two of them. Okay, so now we have a very simple Pong game. Okay, it's not yet really complete, but at least we have learned about your loops. We have learned also about the conditions. Okay, then we'll continue this one on the subsequent session.